of the most common questions I get from friends and clients, whether or not it's better to invest in gold or in real estate. So what's the answer? Neither is better, because there's no comparison. I've always advocated diversification, and I don't see it changing. I personally invest in real estate. I obviously own gold and silver and other precious metals. I also invest in cryptos and bonds, ETFs. I also invest in businesses. Each of these assets play a different role in my portfolio. Crypto is my risky pile. I always keep 10% or more, probably a little bit more right now in my risky pile. A lot of my real estate investments, except my own home, generate revenue and income. I do want to note that the gold is necessary investment, regardless of whatever else you have going, because gold is a great store of value. It's also liquid at any time, which I love. Take real estate, for example. From lumber to paint to concrete, the cost of almost every single item that goes into a building in the US is soaring right now. In some cases, the price increases have topped 100% since the pandemic had begun. This is one of the things you want to consider when going into real estate. If you have to fix a house or a rental that you have, the cost of the items that you're buying to fix that property is going to go up. There's also other factors. You got rock bottom mortgage rates. You got city dwellers rushing to the suburbs because there's shortage of materials. But the simplest explanation is that there's too much demand from builders and their suppliers to handle it. All this makes housing an extreme manifestation of the inflationary pressures dominating the US economy. With raw materials prices continuing to surge around the world, the pressure on builders to increase costs is likely to grow stronger. When raw materials go up, the cost gets passed on to the real estate market. So properties are going to get more and more expensive. Also considering the changing market needs, with more and more people staying home from work, home design, utilities, and locations are being rethought. For example, live-work properties are becoming more popular, while many commercial properties are reshaping their business models. You need to strategize your real estate investment, make sure you're accommodating the rising prices and changing market conditions. Again, I'm not telling you not to invest in real estate. You should just factor this into when you're looking at it. The cost of owning real estate is going to go up dramatically over the next 2 to 3 years. So you have to be able to hold on for a long time. It's not a short-term investment. Also, you want to consult a financial advisor. One thing I would recommend is looking at gold because it protects your assets and it's liquid. It's very easy. There's no work. Real estate, typically, there's some work involved. Gold, there's no work. You buy it, you hold it, and when you need to sell it, as it's gone up over time, you sell it. It's also thrived through all economic distress. So you can go as risky as you want with some of the other investments and still have that cushion if anything goes wrong. If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open and we're happy to answer any of your questions.